Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It has been a while that I've shot a video almost after my Goa trip. I did not vlog. There's two reasons. One is my GoPro Hero 8, which got water damaged in the Goa, and the other reason is rains in Hyderabad. So it took almost about 15 days for me to get a new one. And yes, so I'm back on MotoVlogging and another ride. Morning time is around 8 o'clock, I believe. Yeah, exactly 8 o'clock, man. And we are here at Driven Cafe. So we've got a beautiful lineup of bikes today. We've got 600i Benelli, Harley Davidson 750, Triumph 1200 XCX Explorer, 200 V4, RS V4, and the mighty S1000RR. And look at that, a Ducati Multistrada, and that's my beautiful F850 GS. And our riders are ready to go on a short ride. The plan was nothing, just go on a short ride on a highway. So we are probably going to Hill Park restaurant, which is on Bangalore highway, about 60 kilometers from here. Alright, so this is a beautiful lineup for the day, and see you on the road. Okay, so riding after almost close to 1.5 months, I believe, 2 months, I believe. So that's Sandeep Nadampalli on his Triumph 1200 XCX. Let's go, it's green light. Alright, we'll be taking the service road to Bangalore highway. She left this Kunte. We'll be heading on to the service road of the outer ring road. So the weather condition is very nice. The external temperature is about 26 degrees centigrade, and it is kind of cloudy, but hope it doesn't rain. It is around 8 o'clock, 8:21 that we have started, and we are not going much far. We are just heading out to that's the 600i on IXIL exhaust, the loudest one in the block. So basically I was honking to tell the other riders that we don't have to take a right, we have to go straight, and it worked. Look at that, this is what he does every time. Sandeep Nadampalli trying to turn off. But I guess it didn't turn off. I mean, it was running. now it's zip zap zoom. It's time to unleash the power of these beautiful machines. I'm sure they'll be maintaining a fair bit of distance and beautiful speeds. Straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight. Yes. Well, if we take the left, it will be the airport road. We're doing a cruise wall. As you can see, it is a beautiful road, but it is busy road, and we've got a triple riding over here, and God knows where these guys are trying to go. Bhai Saab. Well. The time is almost about 9:11. The sun is out. And that's the Ducati for you. Ducati Multistrada. There's Acra exhaust. That's beautiful. Woo! You know what that is? The power of V4. Suana V4. It's a crazy, insane torque, and the amount of acceleration that it gives. Superb. What a flyby. Indra Babu Ray! It's like suddenly a left to go to the Tlara Ray. So, this is the first toll gate on the Bangalore highway, and once we cross this, you get to we have Hill Park. Oh, such a huge line. బాబు రోడ్డు మీద కాదు పైనుంచి నడువు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఆంటీలు మాత్రం బిందాస్ కూసురు. అరే జల్దీ కొట్టేస్తాం అయిపోతుంది. ఎస్ కొరే ఇంకమ్మా సెకండ్ పడరా. Alright, this is what it is, guys. Line up for today at Hill Park. Guys, ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ వ్యూ కరెక్ట్గా వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ బ్లాగ్ అంతా అయిపోయినాక మిగిలిపోయింది ఎంత మనం ఇలానే కొంచెం మెల్లగా బళ్ళు కనిపించేలాగా. అమ్మ మెరుపుగా రా అంటే వచ్చినట్టుంది. పర్ఫెక్ట్. I did a running shot. Photographers at work. So this was the lineup for the day, guys, and we are done with the breakfast now. So we'll be starting off from here, heading back home. Time are we at 10:41. Right, so it just got lit. We had some good time over here. So from here, yeah, another 70 kilometers back home. So till then, see you on the road with some flybys, I believe. Ciao. Short and sweet trip after probably 1.5 months on highway. Well, I've been riding it on the city roads, both of my bikes, but took it out on highway after a long time. Nice. Okay, so just crossed the toll gate and heading back home. So this was about the today's ride to Hill Park from Driven Cafe. So hope you have liked this short video. MotoVlogging after a long time. So if you like this video, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss all the updates that I post, all the videos that I post on my channel, MotoVlogging. Right, so till then, you guys have a wonderful time ahead. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.